So this is what I built up from parts I found lying at the Maker's Asylum. It's a mood lamp I built using two TIM boards that consist of smart LEDs. The matrix is 16 by 16 LEDs, giving a total of 256 LEDs, and the whole thing is controlled by one Arduino clone. I've used the map one that we built at the Maker's Asylum, which is a clone of the Uno, and besides that, all it has is one potentiometer to vary brightness levels or speed, and one selector switch. And using this simple interaction, there's a switch and a potentiometer, and the whole thing is powered by a USB cable. I cut this housing from MDF, and the front piece is another piece of junk I found lying at the asylum, a piece of polypropylene PP. And the code was written, the awesome code was written by my friend Kevin, to whom I posed this challenge that I have an LED matrix driven by an Arduino, and it needs to be controlled using a very simple control scheme. So he actually wrote up this nice modular library that lets you select different modes on this lamp using a button press, and then controlling those modes via the potentiometer. So for example, when you first plug it in, the LEDs are off, and once you press the mode switch, it goes to the first mode. This is the rainbow mode, which is found in the standard Adafruit NeoPixel library, and it just cycles through the various colors, and that's about it. At this point, the potentiometer has no effect on the rainbow colors. The next mode is color cycler, where I can cycle through various colors by selecting the potentiometer position. So I can scroll it from green through yellow through red, all the way back to green. I can set it at any color that I choose it to be. The next mode is breathing mode, with the color set at red right now, but I'm sure that it's possible to modify the code such that I can adjust the colors by rotating the potentiometer. But that's something I'll probably do it in the future. This one is something that looks like a game of life animation that is built in. I haven't had time to look at this code and what exactly it does, but apparently it looks something similar to Conway's Game of Life being played on the matrix. And then finally there's the scrolling text, and the speed is adjustable via the potentiometer. So I guess it's going to be two. And once again, I have managed to just program this for a single TIM panel. There are actually two panels over here, and the text is scrolling through just one of them. There is a way to make it scroll through both panels using the tile function in the NeoMatrix library, but I haven't yet been able to figure out how that works. In fact, I was able to figure out how it works in the sense I could get text on both the TIM panels, but apparently it broke all the rest of the code. So it worked with only scrolling text and none of the other features or modes worked. So I've gone back to my to Kevin's code, and I'll try and play with this some more before I can figure out how to get the text scrolling on both the TIM panels. So that's it. It's a little mood lamp kind of a thing that I built for the Asylum. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to mount this thing. Maybe suspend it from the ceiling using cables, or probably make a little support structure for this probably, but at this point it's just this. There you go. So thanks Kevin for adding this awesome code.